What's everyone looking at? All right, the awesome castle on the hill. After our hike around the Falkirk Wheel, my group continued the day's adventures by heading to Stirling, Scotland. Once there, we found a cache in view of Stirling Castle before heading to the main event of the day, a visit to Doune Castle.
You're not facing the castle, can't be it.
Even close.
Still got it.
Oh, there you go.
I'm logging it.
So just drop it on the ground. And the log.
Oh, I got the log in my hand.
Okay, I can put this up.
So we got this, and we want... Get it? Appreciate that too. There's no having to look for it.
Where's it at?
I had to get the tweezers out because it was stuck down on the bottom. It was on the back side of this post. It's just a dangler.
Oh, okay. Right in view of that. Pretty sweet. So I've never watched Game of Thrones, but apparently this was Winterfell in the show. Pretty cool. How many people can? How many people can we get in here? I have no idea. It looks like one.
You too, Simon? Poor man needs some privacy. Some privacy. Privacy.
Yeah, you gotta say it right.
Could I have some privacy?
Yes. This is doesn't go anywhere.
Well, it depends.
Apparently he didn't have any.
He's sitting. Is there anyone behind you? People behind you.
Yes.
Who do you think you are, Cash the Line?
Food doesn't look the same, so well, that's it.
No, not quite. Okay, time to find a couple more caches outside the castle.
Okay, I'm staying back here.
You did it.
I done it, guys.
Oh, it's right on too. Maybe it's the first one all in Scotland. And getting close.
Yeah.
Oh, let me put a path tag in.
There you go. A real cache.
I don't like micros.
This is the biggest one I found in Scotland. So.
I like micros in the woods.
We found one almost
whip out the
that
stand.
size.
Decent. Kind of. Tube. Oh, there it went.
I'm not even sure what that is.
It's just like a water container or something.
It's a Scottish geocache.
Aye,
Aye.
Scottish.
aye, it's full of whiskey, lad.
It's their Scottish bless.
A Scottish tippy cup.
Scottish typical.
I'm taking my clothes off, so hurry up.
Well, he's going down. I wasn't really asking you to.
Tenéis paseitos si queréis, ¿eh?
Okay, and can you move in?
Para bajar al río.
Like to where she was? You don't have to get down. Don't get
Body
down.
parts are starting to lock up.
Yep, hurry up.
I told her she didn't have to
I'm
get
getting
down.
a cramp.
I can actually get up off the ground nowadays. It's true. I can get up off the ground.
There we go.
Ahí sin saltar y sin jugar.
Simon, I'm pretty sure I'm not in that picture.
No, pero
You're in mine.
That's all that matters. Here we go.
con ella a ver cómo andan para dejarnos pasar o nos dejan pasar.
Wait,
pues,
Simon.
como Están con la obra del parking. ¿Y dónde está papá? ¿Dónde está papá? ¿Papá? No lo sabes.
Get in the picture here.
Got everybody at this point.
No, you don't.
For 3 people.
You're still missing you.
Don't nobody move.
After Doune Castle, we made our way back to our hotel in Stirling, which just happened to be right next to the visitor center for the Battle of Bannockburn. This was the first battle in the Scottish War of Independence in 1314. The highlight here is a statue of Robert the Bruce, who was King of Scotland from 1306 till 1329. The statue was a virtual cache, and after gathering the info we needed, we set off on a short hike to find another cache that was nearby before a series of storms started to roll into the area.
There's Brian.
We are playing with the acoustics of this place.
Hello! Hello! Hello, hello!
I didn't even notice that when I first
through?
Yeah.
We didn't walk through this spot.
Well,
we
Bill
walked
and I
around.
walked
You gotta
through
stand
and
like
stopped
right
here.
right
right
on
here.
this pad.
Right in this general. Right here. This is where you were standing.
Yep.
But yeah, we walked around the outside edge. We didn't walk through the middle.
Isn't it sweet?
This is awesome. I took some video earlier, and I don't know how.
So
it turned
now
out.
we gotta see how it sounds.
See how it turns out on his.
Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna sound.
No.
It should sound pretty good. The tattoo sounded pretty good on it. Oh, that's awesome!
We need a bagpipe. Can you imagine?
Quick,
a
go buy
bagpipe?
one.
What was oh, that movie? No.
How does that go? I can't do it. Can you hear the echo?
You gotta come over here. Come over here.
Come over here, make
Come over
noise.
here and
You
talk.
can hear it all around you.
It echoes. Yeah,
You can
it's like
hear
an
this-
echo chamber.
The sound magnifies.
Come and talk.
Say something.
Come on. Say something. Say more.
Say something loud.
No, you gotta be over
hear
here.
it all the way
Gotta be in this
around.
area where you can hear the echo. Mhm.
Acoustic.
Acoustically, yeah.
Exactly.
It's like an echo chamber.
This is kind of cool.
Down there. Other side of a creek.
Yeah, so we're just wandering through a random Scottish neighborhood now. This is more like it, you know, unlike all the tourists in all the major cities. Now we're getting off the beaten path.
Debating on pinging my phone.
Oh. Oh, so where'd they go?
I don't want to go in someone's house. This is like someone's driveway. Where's zero?
Down that way on this side.
Oh.
Down that way on
150 feet on this side. Is that, oh. Maybe it just shows it's on the wrong side of it.
Yeah, maybe. It's got to be down here. You guys got it?
Oh, they both have shorts on too.
Yeah.
Did you find it or no?
Not yet.
Oh, so we're here just in time.
So the reference photo has this tree on the left side and these other trees over here. And the answer is, doesn't need water or force. Oh, come on, you gotta climb down there to film it.
Nah. Hold it up. Where's the cache? Hold it up. Oh, there it is. Wait, that's a nasty little cache down this slope through all these nettles. And...
Slug.
Yeah, there's another one behind you.
Oh, Brian said he had it.
He did.
Are you guys just playing with the slugs?
No, it was like a water magnet style.
Okay.
So we had to improvise to get the cache container out.
Simon, stamp me.
That's stamping.
Hi, YouTube.
I don't know what's gonna make it into these videos and what isn't.
That's alright.
If I do something stupid, I know what goes in there.
It's gonna end up.
Oh.
So I think that's what I came in contact with down here earlier.
Yes.
today.
Yes.
It
Feels
will-
like it's on fire.
A little bit,
Yeah.
yeah.
Burns, kind of burns.
Yep.
A little bit, yeah.
It'll go away much quicker than poison ivy.
I haven't scratched it, you know, just
Scratching it won't bother.
Yeah.
Just wash it
I
off
think
good.
I bumped
Okay.
up some when we were looking for that DNF cache.
Yeah.
I think I did because my elbow kept like, man, is there anything on it?
Or that stuff was really pricky too, and I don't even
Yeah,
know
and
what
that's,
that
I don't know
was.
if I got that or what, but it
But
was
nettles will
burning.
die down in a couple of hours.
okay. No, I think I broke. There's a spot like right there.
Yep. I can tell. I touched it a couple of times with my legs.
Okay.
That's going to do it for today, you guys. On the next episode, you'll get to see another location from the Harry Potter movies. Plus, we run into some interesting local wildlife near one of the caches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.